Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wild. Today we are talking about updates on the Doordash platform. So one of my subscribers has sent me an email. BC, thank you so much for sending me this email and making this video possible about some of the updates that have taken place in his market. One of which is the Diamond program, which the high pay order program, whatever you want to call it. I made a video talking all about that already. I'll leave it in the description. Feel free to check it out. But the other one is something new, and I want to talk about it really quick. A lot of people might say this is micromanaging, but I think it's a good update. So with that said, I want to go over what BC is saying, how it actually is for gig workers and the company and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. Some new things. We are now in a diamond market and get notice that we qualify for diamond orders. I think it started December 5th. Also, if you're waiting a long time at the restaurant, DD will send notifications. We'll add screenshots. Well, let's take a look at those screenshots. The first one is simply about the high pay order program. Again, I made a video about it. You can check it out if you want to. But another one is about long waits at Doordash. We noticed that you've been waiting a while for this order. Do you know when it will likely be ready? We'll use this to improve estimates and reduce long waits for you in the future. Now, whether or not they are actually going to reduce wait time or anything like that, I think that it is important to talk about really quick. Because let's say they actually are. That's a good thing. I think that long waits was one of the very annoying things about Doordash. Uber hasn't been doing that for a while. That's why they're best in terms of accuracy as far as the big three goes. Grubhub has something similar to this, but you have to go into there's a problem. They don't ask you. You gotta let them know about it. And Doordash went from you let them know to they'll ask you about it in hopes that they will reduce the wait time in the future, which is awesome. I think that's great. Another thing I'd like to note is that the increments that they're talking about, less than 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, more than 10 minutes, and I don't know. I'm glad that those increments are as low as they are, because on Grubhub, it's 10 minutes, 10 to 20 minutes, or 40 plus minutes or something like that. Like, this system is great. I actually like this a lot. Now, some people will see this and think, oh my god, they're micromanaging us now. How annoying. But if their goal is to reduce the wait time, is that micromanagement or them trying to help you? Like, we gotta give credit where credit is due. I know that a lot of people don't like to be managed, and I respect that. I mean, a lot of us got into the gig economy because we don't want a boss anymore. But if there's anything that I gotta respect about this is that Doordash is genuinely trying to reduce wait times and make the platform better for all parties involved. So, good on Doordash. And this is gonna be especially good for those restaurants who we know are gonna be a pain in the ass for wait times, such as like Cheesecake Factory, Anthony's Coal-Fired Pizza, PF Chang's, things like that. They're going to finally be able to remedy those restaurants from having ridiculous wait times, if this works out the way they plan to. But let me ask you, what do you think about this? Is this something that you're actually looking forward to, or do you think this is just a form of micromanagement? Let me know in the comments. I'm actually curious to hear what other people's perspectives are on this, because I think that this is a good update. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.